Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Wi-Fi. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and then you need to click at the sound quality and effects. Right here at the right top we have bass boost, so tap at this preset, we just select them, and that's it. Now you can go back. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!